the specification: Li Super Series, 4600 watt-hour usable. The cables, you have two communication cables. Okay, so this is one for inverter and another for the battery in case you want to parallel them. And we have the user manual, so you can read through the manual how to set this up and configure it with your inverter. Okay, so we take this off. This reveals the battery itself. This is massive. Okay, so we have the screen in front, we have the Sako label, and this. So the battery comes with this handle, and here we go. Away. And we also have some accessories at the back. Guess what? We have cables, but we asked the seller about these cables. She said she does not know, and we already got a cable for ourselves, so we just keep the cables we bought, or we sell it to another client. We have a very strong cables, and you can see these connectors are great. So we cut this out. And we cut this out, and we try to measure. See, this is about 1.5 meters of length. See these cables, quality. We have the maintenance port in case of maintenance of the batteries. Then we have the switch, followed by we have the RS485 and CAN port on the same spot. Here you communicate with your inverter. Here you parallel the packs, so you put one as master, then you put the other one as slave. Then you have your address system in case you have a parallel pack, and you can see we have this LED light showing us on the state of charge. We have 25%, 50%, 75%, as well as 100%. And there's an alarm button, alarm indicator in red, and there's a run. So you can see the terminal, the button, negative, positive. Then we have the specification pack, and it comes with 3 years warranty. Okay, so 3 years warranty. Here we go. Wow, massive, brand shaking battery, solidly built. So this place sounds like, and this place sounds like. So we have all the batteries on this side like this. We have the batteries on this compartment, while this compartment house the BMS. If you can hear from this sound, this is empty space, while this is battery compartment. So if you lift it up, the bulk of the weight is on this side. So on the front we have this, where you can say welcome to BES. So you can easily see the state of charge at a glance. So let's have a closer look. So here you can see, so this is it. You can see we are at 52 volts, 52.67, and it's saying we have capacity of 110. Wow. We have the Sako 110 amp hours on the battery. So here we can see the battery come at 40% state of charge. Okay, 40% state. Why you go off? Slim on the side. It comes with this for wall mounting, so you can mount them on the wall using these brackets. Okay, so there's a leg on the batteries, so you have these legs that holds the battery. That's the unboxing video.